Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live. And while Kelly and I were at the 2023 Florida RV Super Show in Tampa, we toured this perfect weekender RV. You're not gonna believe what's packed inside, so stay tuned. Everything you need to know is in the description below, and remember to like and subscribe the video. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to us. Would you like to take a weekend trip on this RV? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get started. Okay guys, here's a quick tour of the AIRSTREAM REI Co-op Special Edition. Here's the 16X REI. MSRP $62,550. Let's go inside. There's the dinette. Here's the head. It's a wet head. Got a sink, got a fridge, got a microwave, got a 2-burner stove, gas. Got all kind of little storage compartments and stuff in here.
Pretty cool.
Ceiling fan. Okay, here's the unit on the outside. Got a back hatch, an escape hatch.
I wish somebody had some bottles of water. Oh, I know.
Side here is all the propane, I think. Where your propane goes. Propane tanks down in there. Looks like it has the 15-pound propane tanks. 2 of them. So this is the AIRSTREAM BASECAMP 16X REI, certified green. UV LED filtration faucet, no stain resistant cushions, UV coated birch plywood, 76 by 76 inch bed, 16 feet 2 inches long, supports 2 people, and it's 2,700 pounds. Would you like to take a weekend trip on this RV? Let us know in the comments below.